Today I'm gonna prepare a toast. I have 2 slices of white bread and I'm using this butter. And I have a smoked ham, pork, and tasty cheese. And I use 1 egg for the omelette. Maybe not omelette, but I want to do it like a fried egg. Let's get it started.
After the pan was heated, put on butter. Stir the butter until it's even on the pan. Then put on the bread, put on cheese and the smoked ham. Leave it for a few minutes until the cheese is melted. And while waiting, we can make another bread. Make it whole in the middle. This is for the egg layer. And let's flip the bread. It's better to put the cheese below the ham so that you can, when it flip, the cheese does not stick to the pan. And this is just for a while, and put it to the empty plate. And now put another butter, stir it. You can see like the pan is already heated. And then you put another bread with the hole on it and crack the egg in the middle of the bread. With this, you can create a very nice design of the breakfast. Yeah, you just need to wait it for a few minutes until the egg cook. Maybe not too cook, but just when the egg appears like a white color, and then it is done in a minute. Yep, that's it. Wow, look at this delicious breakfast. See this, how runny is the yellow yolk when I cut it. Let's have a taste. The crunchy ham and the melted cheese and the runny egg is just perfect in the mouth. And I guess that's all for today. Bye.